Okay, well, the Christmas break was fine. Spent most of it studying because I had exams like right after the Christmas break. But so on Christmas, Philippa invited us over for Christmas lunch at night, and I went over to her place, and it was really nice. We had a bit of what you call a traditional English Christmas, so it was really nice. It was really nice. But other than that, um, I spent most of it indoors just trying to prepare for the exam, so it wasn't pretty much like a relaxing holiday. We have four modules for this term. We've actually finished the first two, which are linked modules. That's Advanced Immunology 1 and Advanced Immunology 2. And these modules were very interesting because we're required to analyze research papers, build our confidence in presenting research work. So that was pretty interesting and exciting for my part because I haven't done a lot of presentations, and so that was a bit outside my comfort zone. So it was pretty nice. So right now this is reading week, and we have other two modules that start next week. That's Immunology of Clinical Disease and Immunology of Parasitic Infections. I'm pretty excited about those because they seem really exciting. And then we'll have another module in the third term, which is Vaccine Immunology, and I think that one's probably going to be my favorite. So I'm really looking forward to these modules. Okay, so the teaching style here at LSHTM and at College of Medicine is not that different per se, because we have lectures here usually that run from 9:30 to 5, and that was also the case back in College of Medicine. Of course, the lectures here are more involved with us when it comes to the teaching materials, to make sure that we have more lecture notes right before each lecture so that we can go through them if we want to do that, and they're pretty much always available if we have any questions. We also have labs on top of that. So for this term we haven't really had any labs per se, because the advanced immunology modules are pretty much based on analysis of research papers, and so we had a lot of presentations. So presentations that run from Mondays to Fridays, and that was pretty exciting. Took me outside of my comfort zone because I'm not really good at presentations and stuff, but yeah, I got really good at it as the time went on. So yeah, that was pretty exciting. So we've done a bit of lab work, and one of the lab sessions was covering our T cell responses to particular pathogens. This one was specific to TB. So we analyzed the responses of one volunteer, PBMC, and so the end result was to see whether this volunteer had previously been exposed to TB. And so what we're measuring was T cell responses in terms of proliferation. So that's if the volunteers' T cells were actively dividing after being stimulated with a particular pathogen, and then if they were producing a specific cytokine called interferon gamma. So it was pretty interesting because back at UNC we have the same assay. It's called the interferon gamma release assay, and I've never really quite understood as in the background of that assay. So it was really interesting to actually get to understand a bit of background and what exactly we're measuring, what exactly the results mean. So yeah, that was a pretty interesting assay. So we haven't yet been allocated to summer projects because we get to choose 3 projects that we would really like to work on. So we are given a list of supervisors, and then we get to pick 3. So our program director is the one who allocates these projects to us. So right about now we're waiting for that process, and then I think by the end of this week we should be able to know which projects we've been allocated to, and then We're going to start the projects probably in June, and then that's going to run over till September. Yeah.